May I have your attention, please? As soon as the smoke clears from this package, you will notice that the Bangin' Records CD you have just purchased is literally fire.
Hold up, what a burn is that? Look, dog, that's what we gonna do. We gonna run up down and know ya. I'll let my dog, they know your job, cause you know I'm gonna lay to them something like this.
My ladies, come on and work that thing. Come on, mommy, you can turn that thing. If your whole man trippin', I can hurt that thing. I got a 9, I can turn that thing. So my ladies, come on and work that thing. Come on, mommy, you can turn that thing. If your whole man trippin', I can hurt that thing. I got a 9, I can turn that thing.
Wow, what's good? It's your boy Young Chris.
It's your boy Lil Blaze.
And together we make the Block Burners, you know what I'm saying? From the NO to the B to BR to Mississippi, covering the whole Louisiana, Black House Entertainment. You know what I'm saying? You know every time we get on this camera, you know something big must about to come up, right?
What's about to come up?
Man, on the 19th, you can catch us and my dog Got It Boy Chris, you know what I'm saying? Live at Pearl River Community College, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be tearing it down. You know we're the king of bounce. So all the ladies out there, y'all need to come out because he's going to be tearing it down. He's going to have y'all shaking y'all shit, cutting it up, dropping low. You know how it went down, you know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all be out there. And then on the 20th, you can catch the Block Burners at Neil Sports Bar and Lounge. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be getting our swagger back. We're going to be acting a fool with it. What else we going to be doing? We're going to be repping the NO and that. You know what I'm saying?
Going down.
Yeah, so I need everybody to come out, you know what I'm saying? Support us, Got It Boy Chris.
The whole Black
House Entertainment, new album, All or None coming soon.
Shout out to Shine Baby and Big Stepper too.
Yeah, Crossroad ENT, they holding us down all day. We coming to y'all, so y'all make sure y'all can support y'all boys. Hey Miller, we come and get you. So when we come out there, you make sure you come holler at us, bro. We coming out there with our lopes on. We gonna be loped out our misery, and we gonna wipe you down as soon as we see you, bro. Black House Entertainment, 07, 08. It's a new year, new money, new label, new niggas. Yeah.
So my ladies, come on and work that thing. Come on, mommy, you can turn that thing. If your whole man trippin', I can hurt that thing. I got a 9, I can turn that thing.
So won't you work my work till you sweat? Oh, you're losing your breath, can you work some more? Put your back into it when you work that flow. Get busy and shake with it like you want some more.
Oh, but she gotta back it up for blaze and fuck for blaze. And shorty got butt for days and butt amazing. Shaking it, moving. Now she moving and shaking. She getting tired, now she need a replacement.
What? Keep it moving, girl.
Move that.
The way you're rocking your body, I know you can